Hey, yo, big up to all of the family and all of the friends. You know, say it's Impress Marcy again. Just watch the video straight to the end. See?
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlogtober video. Today we're making s'mores, and I'm gonna be making a fudge s'mores, and Crystal,
I'm gonna be making a s'more sundae.
all right. So this video is hosted by Sassy Ren, Simply Carla Jones, and Tycoon M3 NDA, and all the links to my other vlogtober participants will be down in my description box down below, so go check it out. If it's your first time over here,
That one was my bad.
if it's your first time over here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell right down below, all right, and give this video a thumbs up.
And leave a comment, guys.
All right, let's get into the video.
Let's go. So guys, first we're gonna be making the fudge brownie s'mores. We have the fudge mix, the graham crackers, marshmallows, eggs, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of water, and a ½ cup of oil. First, she's gonna be putting the mix into the bowl.
So guys, I'm just gonna get this mixture ready first. All you need is the mixture. The instruction is on the box of how to prepare it. I'm adding my oil, my eggs, my 2 eggs, and my water. And it's 3 tablespoons of water. And I'm just gonna mix. My next step is I'm gonna just line the bottom of my pan with the parchment paper so that my graham crackers don't burn. And I'm gonna make some layers of crackers right here. So guys, I'm just gonna scrape my brownie mixture in here and put it to bake. So just gonna put this in the oven at 350 and let it bake. Okay guys, my brownie is out. I have some chopped graham crackers, some chopped Kit Kat, and some Hershey. So I'm gonna add them to my mixture along with my marshmallows. And we're just gonna gradually add our marshmallows on top. So now that we have this packed and ready, we're gonna go in with a few more chocolate pieces. Not a lot. We're gonna put the oven on broil. Hopefully this don't burn, because marshmallow tends to burn very quick. So let's pray. I'm gonna add a few graham crackers in there as well. Just a few fresh pieces, not a lot, so that it can be nice and crunchy. Alright, that should be enough. So guys, here it is. It's out. Let me come closer with the camera. Hold on. So there it is, nice and roasted. Guys, I made this before and it literally burned. So if you're making this, you have to like literally bend down in front of the oven and watch it, because marshmallow burns very quickly. So there it is. I'm gonna cut in it and show you guys.
Looks delicious.
It is pretty delicious, guys. You can taste the crunch between the Kit Kat and the graham crackers. It's sweet, but that's the whole point.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna be making our s'more sundae now. And first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crush these graham crackers. I'll be making it in this glass, and I'm gonna put layers in there. So first we're gonna have a layer of graham crackers, and then the ice cream, some chopped up or crushed chocolate pieces on top of the ice cream, and then the marshmallows roasted on top, and chocolate syrup to top it all off. So alright, so everything's all chopped up now, or crushed. Just put that layer in. It just depends on how much graham crackers you want to be in there. Put a little bit more. I think that should be good. Alright, so you got your first layer of graham crackers. Alright, for my ice cream, I'm going to be using Bluebell vanilla ice cream. This ice cream is delicious. So, just gonna try to smush it out a little so it goes down into the glass together. Alright, so we basically have all our chocolate pieces chopped up. You could do them big or small if you want to. And in the meantime, so that the ice cream didn't melt, I put it in the freezer. So I'm just gonna go. And now I'm gonna add chocolate to it. Yum! We add some more. Some people love a lot of chocolate, other people don't, but it looks pretty good to me. We're gonna add our marshmallows. So instead of using a torch or anything, we put these in the oven and they melted like this. So we're gonna just put the melted marshmallows on top. The chocolate syrup, so you just put that on there. Just drizzle it on there, and it's probably gonna flow over. That's why you have a little plate to catch the residue. And there you are, s'more sundae, guys. Does it look delicious? Let me know. Leave a comment. Alright guys, now for the moment of truth. I'm gonna be tasting this for you guys. Let's see. Trying to get all the layers in there. Ice cream and everything. Oh, look at that. Mmm. Chocolatey. I think I left the ice cream out too long, so it's kind of melting, but it's still delicious. Alright, you guys definitely have to make this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you guys later.